Hey, how's it going? Back with another unboxing. This here is the MOVO wireless microphone system for Android. Um, so I have a great microphone. I have the LV1, which is great for my laptop. It has an aux plug. I use that for most of my recordings, but sometimes I want to film on location, and this just gives me another option. So let's see what's inside the box. We have instructions. Comes with a USB-C charger, a little case, delicious silica gel packet. Comes with the parts. It connects to the bottom of your phone. That's USB-C. And it comes with a microphone. See how this works. I think that's it. So, yeah. Little clip here, wireless receiver. And it leaks up to your phone here. Both are rechargeable. Anyway, I'll let you know how this goes. I'm actually recording the audio on it right now, so anyway, that was the MOVO Wireless Mini-UC 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system. Anyway, thanks for watching.